going on, everybody? Hope you're doing well today. Today we're going to take a look at one of eufy's brand new security cameras. This is the SoloCam S340. This one is completely wireless and even comes with a solar panel, so you don't have to worry about it ever running out of power. This is a 3K quality pan and tilt security camera. So here's the box. As always with eufy, there's no monthly fees. It also has color night vision. Of course, there's an app. You can control everything on the app, and you can save videos. Has a motion activated 100 lumen spotlight, which is nice. Of course, it has all the AI detection of humans, vehicles. You can set certain zones that you don't want it to capture. So once again, it's 360 view, thanks to the pan and tilt. Built-in local storage. It can also lock and track, so if someone is in your yard and say they come in your fence on the right and they go all the way across your entire yard, it'll follow them perfectly wherever they go in the yard. Color night vision, which is awesome now. And then with a 2K telephoto lens, you can get up to 8x hybrid zoom. And then there's also a 3K wide angle lens. So very cool. This is how everything looks. Very tiny solar panel, simple to use. This is going to be the mount. I'm going to mount it to my back deck just for video purposes. Another mount. Couple of cables. And of course, all the accessories to screw it onto your house or deck or wherever you want to have this. Here's the camera itself. Nice and heavy duty. There's the different lens, as well as a little spotlight, which 1,000 lumens is pretty bright for something so tiny. Has a speaker so you can communicate with them. So let me get this connected to my phone. I've connected, this is probably my 7th or 8th eufy I have tested on my house, and setup is super easy. And I will get this installed, show you how it looks, and then I will show you some video footage. And then at the end, of course, I'll tell you if I recommend it or not, which I'm highly assuming I will, because every single eufy product I've ever used has been really good. So been pretty happy with this company. Good price and good quality. So let me get everything set up and installed, and we will catch up when it's installed. Do me a favor, guys, like this video and subscribe. It helps me out a ton, and I would really appreciate it. Thanks. All right, here's where I installed it just for the sake of this video. This isn't permanently where I'm going to put it, but I just wanted to give a quick demo of how it looks. I mean, this could be where I keep it, because I can look to the right of my yard, of course, straight forward, and then to the left, or if anyone crosses my yard here, it'll follow it through. This is how it looks. And of course, I get tons of sun in the morning. So it would be plenty of sun to keep this guy charged up 24/7. Here's another one that I have hanging here. I did a review on this one too, if you want to go back and watch that. But this is where I have it installed. Later, I will show you night vision, as well as the spotlight to see how bright it is. And I think it's going to be another great product by eufy. Alrighty, let's go ahead and go through some of the app features. For now, I moved it. I just went ahead and put it on my house right next to the deck door. So as you can see, you got the dual cameras. One is the wide angle, and the one is the more focused in one. So it's 4:50 right now at night, and sunset is basically right now. And you can still see the picture quality is excellent with very little light. Like I'm sitting right by the door, and I'm looking outside, and the cameras put out much more light than there actually is. So that's very cool. Later, when it does get pitch black, I will show you the night vision, as well as color night vision, and then the quality. But for now, let's go ahead and mess with the pan and tilt. That's kind of the most important thing about this one. So there's a little light button at the very bottom right. You can click that on and get a little bit of light. You won't be able to see that now, but I'll show you that later. Pan and tilt, we'll do that in just a second. The middle button there is to communicate with someone. The sound, of course, is how loud you want it to be. And then record if you want to get like a hard version of this, download it to your phone. So let's click on pan and tilt. And all you have to do is hold down one way, And as you see, it pans. I go back the other way and look at your other neighbor's deck. Very simple. And that is, this is beautiful picture quality for being not very bright out. So right now I was pushing up, that's the limit. That's just based on how I mounted it. You can mount it higher, lower, whatever, and get a better field of view. But look at the difference with that wide angle compared to that bottom one. Very cool. See the neighbor's dog? Very cute dog, but he barks too much when I'm out there anyway. So very cool. Great picture quality, guys. Another thing that I love about these that I tested on the previous one I did is you can set this to different positions. So I won't do that now, but it's very easy to do. So say if I want position A, I want it to be perfectly here on my deck gate. So obviously that's going to pick up anybody that is going to come in. And then if I want position 2, well, I would set that first, of course. Move this over to whatever position you want, however the camera will pan and tilt. And then you can set this as a position. And when you get to the app, all you do is literally click number 2, and it's going to take you exactly here. Then you can click number 3, and you can watch somebody do some cooking. But very cool to have the positions. I'm glad they threw that in there, and I think that's a very good choice of theirs. Of course, you can turn it sideways and get a better, oh, there it is. So you can turn it sideways, and then it's just going to do the top camera. And then you can, of course, pan and tilt, and then we'll zoom in on the grill and see the quality difference. There you go. Very good quality. Very happy with this so far. All right, guys, here's the night vision. As you can see, still very good quality. You can easily see if someone's walking around. And I'm really liking this dual zone camera, because obviously the top one you have the wide angle so you can see everything up close. And then the bottom one zooms in quite a bit. And I think it has a pretty good picture quality. The bottom right here, there's a light button. If you hit that, obviously it'll turn on the little light on the camera, and it'll also switch it over to color night vision. As you can see, it almost looks like it's daytime out there. Or, you know, sunset at least. Turn back off the light. Of course, you can pan and tilt like any time during the day. And I think the quality is quite nice. Here's a wide view. Let's zoom in 3 times and see how close we can get to stuff. So pretty good. I mean, if someone was walking out there, you clearly see them. And you don't have to worry about someone wandering around your backyard. Earlier when I turned on the light, I think it just turned on, you know, normal color mode because it thought it had enough light. So let's see if this makes a difference. Oh, wow, yeah. Oh, wow, that is interesting. Okay. Look at, you can see the blue sky at nighttime. That's kind of crazy. You can see on the right there, I have a red chair. Huh, very interesting, very cool. Once again, like I said before, guys, I think everybody in the world should have at least one camera in their house. So there's with the light off. There is another regular light to the left of this that's on. But, I mean, that's crystal clear in color, which is quite impressive. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like it for me and subscribe. It really helps out my channel. And I will put some links down below if you're interested in this. Thanks again. See ya.